welcome to this stock market training session. So I hope you have heard about stock market. Like, it's a very big ocean. It is not possible for everyone to learn overnight. So there are so many principles to be followed before investing. So it is not possible to invest and expect the returns immediately. So first 30 minutes, I'll just go with some theoretical session, basic things you want to have some understanding. Then last 20 minutes, I'll try to show you live market, and I'll buy some script. We'll see what happens. Okay, and for your kind information, this is like going to be a series of sessions. This is not one session. Based on your interest and willingness, it will be like a series of sessions. And like next stage will be live market, and you will be learning so many technical sites, like technical skills you want to develop, fundamentals and company analysis you want to learn. And it is going to be a continuous sessions where our aim is that you want to invest and get a very decent returns. Okay, so those things we'll discuss at last. So first thing is that investment plays a very important role for everyone. So what is the first basic thing is that after completing your degree, you want to settle in a job. Forget about your dream job. You want to get into some job where you are going to earn a very decent salary. That is your first short-term goal as of now. Second is that very important thing, which is very difficult, is you want to start inculcate the habit of savings, which is very, very difficult nowadays due to high consumption. I hope you agree with me. Third most difficult thing according to me is that you want to park those funds, whatever you have saved, you want to go and park in proper investment avenue. That is very important. Can you just tell me what are the different avenues available in India? Investment avenues? Yes? Gold? Gold, bonds, real estate, then? Mutual funds, then? Huh? Forex market? Okay, bonds? Huh? FD, fixed deposit? Then stock market, okay, forex market, commodity market, buying and selling of gold, silver, cardamom, pepper, all agricultural products, real estate, very good. Okay, forex market, foreign exchange, buying and selling of currencies. Okay, so many avenues are there. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about stock market. Stock market is nothing but combination of three things: bonds, debentures, and share. Okay, bonds, debentures, and shares. Combination of these three are called as stock market, which is otherwise called as securities market. Okay, first of all, why we want to invest? You may have a feel or opinion that, sir, I am not ready to believe anyone, and I don't have any knowledge about whatever avenues I have mentioned here. So better I just hold my money and keep it in my personal locker. Some of you might have this opinion also. We cannot say no, isn't it? You may feel like, sir, I don't have any knowledge about any of the investment avenues, and I'm not ready to believe anyone because I think I've heard about cheat funds, all those kind of things which you normally like cheat people. Okay, so you don't have any idea to bring your funds outside. So just imagine you are saving monthly 1,000 rupees, and in a year it comes to around 12,000 rupees. You decided to keep in your locker for next 6 months. After 6 months, you are just going and checking your locker. I'll give you three options. Option A, there will be same 12,000. It will become 15,000, or it might have been reduced to 10,000. Which option you feel is correct? Option A, same 12,000. Option B will be it is increased to 15,000. Option C is it is decreased to 10,000. Why? See, again, we have a very short time, so I want to just cover all the points, okay? But anyhow, interactive session must be there. See, actually, you know very well the value will be decreased. It is not to 10,000. Approximately, I'm saying it will be reduced to 10,000. What is the reason? Currency value. Okay, what else? One important major reason is there for reducing the money value. Inflation. Very simple. What is inflation? Increase in the Because of that, what happens? Your purchasing power will be decreased. Okay. So what you want to learn from here is that you don't have an option to hold your funds. Like say for example, if you decide like I'm going to keep this funds in my locker, 12,000 for 6 months, you're not going to get any return, and the value is also going to get reduced. To make it very simple, whatever you have purchased for 12,000 today, it is not possible for you to purchase after 6 months. Am I right? Can you understand? Okay, suppose you can able to purchase. Sorry, suppose you can purchase 4 mobile phones today with this 12,000. It is not possible for you to purchase 4 mobile phones after 6 months. You can purchase only 2 mobile phones. Same currency note, same money is there, but the value is decreased. So please try to listen, students. We have no other option. We want to bring our funds outside and we want to park our funds somewhere. For that, you want to have some understanding or knowledge about any of these investment avenues. Is that fair? Please try to understand the importance of investing first of all. Okay, right. Second point, I hope this point is clear. Second point, before going for investing, any avenues it may be, before going for investment, please see to that. First thing is that it should not be borrowed funds. It should not be borrowed funds. It should be your own funds. And before investing in any of these avenues, first of all, try to take two things. One, you must have your medical insurance, and second one is you should have your term insurance. Am I right? Is that clear? Okay. And you know very well, income minus expenses is equal to savings. It is not like that. Income minus savings is equal to expenses. That means first, when you are getting your income, try to go and invest some portion of your salary. Then only you want to plan for your expenses. Is that clear? Okay. See, there are so many fundamentals are there. You can just easily follow those things, and you can try to earn some minimum returns from the market. That is not a very big rocket science. The problem nowadays, awareness is very less among young generations like you. Okay, and you are, I'm not mentioning anyone. Generally, I'm saying people are very greedy. Okay, today I want to invest. Tomorrow morning I want to become Ambani. Means it is not possible. First, these points you want to make it very clear. That means you want to be a very disciplined trader while you are trading in stock market. Okay, don't think like it is very easy to invest today 5,000. Tomorrow I can just take 500 rupees profit. It is not possible like that. So all those things we are going to discuss today. Okay, so these are the basic things you want to be very clear before investing. Okay. And the topic itself, I think it's very clear. We are just planning for a long-term wealth. Okay, long-term wealth in the sense at least you want to hold your portfolio for at least minimum 12 months. You want to hold it. Otherwise, it is not possible for you to get a very good returns. Okay, so all those things again I'll show you in the live market. And next thing is that, so investment point of view, I think it is very clear why you want to invest. Before investing, what are the points you want to just be very cautious before investing, because it is your hard-earned money. You are sacrificing your consumption and you are going to invest somewhere, isn't it? You are going to sacrifice your consumption, then only you are going to save your money. It is not just like that. Okay. And next very important thing is that I have told you there are so many avenues are there. In that we are just going to discuss about stock market. Okay. So in stock market, you want to know like what you mean by share, all those things, because it will take much time. I just give you a very simple elementary level of example, which is very easy for you to understand. Say for example, I want to start a business. I need 1 lakh rupees to start my business. I just sourced funds from my family. I have just borrowed loans, everything I have managed, but everything I have arranged, but I can manage only, say for example, 50,000. Balance 50,000, I want to get it from the public. If I just go and ask anyone to lend me money to start business, nobody will give. Okay. So I want to just sell them shares in order to get money. So I want to just prepare a prospectus. I want to sell shares to the public. Okay. Say for example, how much money still I need? 50,000 rupees still I need to start my business. So if my face value is 10 rupees per share, I want to sell around 5,000 shares to the public. Is that clear? So like that way only all this IPO process will happen. Okay, initial public offering. All these things later you can understand, but basic things you want to be very strong. Okay. So please understand, companies planning for expansion or they want to come out with some new product, okay, new product development or expansion, whatever it may be, they need some funds for that purpose. They are just going for IPO. They want more funds. Okay. So you are going to invest. As an investor, what are the benefits you are going to get? Sir, I'm not Okay, I'm ready to invest. Even in share market, I'm ready to invest, but what are the benefits I'm going to get? See, as an investor, you're going to get two benefits. One is, once you're going to invest, the share value will be, when share value is increasing, automatically you're going to get profit. And second benefit for you is that you're going to get dividend. So what do you mean by dividend? What do you mean by dividend? Okay. So what do you mean by interest? Interest. See, when you are going to deposit money in FD, you are going to get interest. Okay. When you are going to invest in any shares, okay, any corporate companies, you are going to get same like interest, but the terminology is different. It is called as dividend. Okay, dividend is declared once in a year, especially when a company is making profit, they will be declaring dividend. Okay, so dividend is declared out of profit. In case a company is suffering from loss, they can just pay the next year dividend, they can just compensate. That is normally called as skipped dividend. Okay, and so one more point you want to make it very clear is that company in India, it is like a common myth is there, like companies which are paying dividend, they are very good companies. Okay, it is not like that. Even I think you have heard about Facebook, Google, Walmart. Do you think that these companies are suffering from loss? Nobody will believe. Okay, so these companies are not paying any dividend. Okay, but they are high profit making companies because they are just reinvesting in their business and they're making and minting money like anything. Okay, so don't have a belief like only companies which are paying dividends are good companies. It is not like that. Okay, so as an investor, you're going to get two benefits. One is share value will be increased, I tell you, and second one is automatically you'll be getting dividend once in a year. And you say, for example, if a company is making super profit, extraordinary profit, yearly you will be receiving 2 times dividend in a year, that is 6 months once. The second type of dividend is called as interim dividend. Okay, and see, especially first one I told you, like value will be increased. Okay, say for example, today you are buying Canara Bank 100 shares at the rate of 300 rupees. Just imagine 30,000 rupees you are investing. Okay, when company is progressing, automatically positive factors will be there because of that. Their business is growing. When their business is growing, automatically profit will be increased. When profit is increasing, share price also will be increasing. So you purchase at the rate of 300. If it goes to 310, you are making profit of 10 rupees per share. For 100 shares, it comes around 1000 rupees. Okay, so automatically share value will be increasing and you are going to get dividend also. These are the two benefits you are going to have if you are investing in stock market. Is that clear? Next one is like you want to do so many analysis. It is not very easy to simply invest money. Sir, I'm having enough money. I can just invest. Tomorrow I will be getting good returns. All these things you should not have any kind of misrepresentation. It is not like that. You want to understand at least basic things. Then only it is possible for you to get very decent returns. Okay, so you want to understand all those things. And the stock market, very important basic first step is that, say, I'm not going into theoretical part more. The most important first step, if you decided like, sir, I am ready to invest in stock market or I'm interested in stock market, please don't invest based upon compulsion. I have told you, okay, and it should be your own money. So first, if you decided, sir, I am ready to invest in stock market, what are the process to be followed? First thing is that you want to have a demat account. Demat account is nothing but dematerialized account. See, earlier before 1990s and all, there is a physical form. Okay, if I'm just going to the broker, he will buy and give me shares in a physical form. That means in a normal A4 sheet,